There are two types of people in this world. Which one are you? Let's get started. Ketchup on one spot or drizzled ketchup? You prefer Coca-Cola or Pepsi? Toilet paper over or under? Do you keep your toothpaste neat or messy? Nutella with a knife or a spoon? Do you read all your text messages or do you leave them unopened? How do you pronounce it? You prefer juice with pulp or no pulp? Do you like your peanut butter creamy or crunchy? Do you prefer red licorice or black licorice? Do you use AirPods or wired headphones? Which one do you like the most? Is your battery always full or is it always almost dying? You prefer scrambled eggs or fried eggs? Do you like wearing socks or do you prefer being barefoot? Still water or sparkling water?